Hey friends, today we're learning super fun magic, how to use camera angles when you make videos with Grok AI. It's like turning your story into a real movie. Ready? Let's go. First, wide shot. Everything looks big and awesome, like you're standing on a giant hill or in a huge forest. Use it to show the whole world. Boom! Everything fits. For example, a happy kid running across a giant green meadow with blue sky. Wide shot. Add wide shot at the end, then Grok makes it super big and epic. Next, close up. Zoom right in, like on a smiling face or a shiny flower. Perfect for feelings, makes hearts go, "Aw." For example, a cute puppy with big eyes looking up. Close up. Just write close up at the end. Boom, super close and sweet. Then, over the shoulder, you peek from behind, like spying on a treasure map. Feels sneaky and exciting. For example, a kid looking at a glowing treasure chest from behind. Over the shoulder. Add over the shoulder, and you're right there in the secret. Fourth, aerial shot. Like a bird flying high, seeing rivers, playgrounds, everything. Shows how big the world is. For example, a colorful park full of kids playing, seen from above, aerial shot. Put aerial shot and whoosh, you're flying. Last, low angle. Shoot from below, like the hero is a giant superhero, makes anyone look strong and cool. Prompt, a brave kid standing tall with cape flowing, low angle. End with low angle and they look like a legend. So now you know all 5 magic angles. Just remember, add the angle name at the end of your prompt and Grok will do the rest. Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments. Let's make awesome videos together. See you next time. Keep filming.